Welcome to our comprehensive guide on API 16C 7.5 Quality Control Record Requirements, specifically tailored for manufacturers and quality control personnel in the oil and gas industry. In this video, we'll provide a detailed walkthrough of the essential record-keeping practices necessary for compliance with this critical specification. Let's begin with an overview of API 16C. This standard outlines the requirements for quality control records to ensure safety and reliability in oil and gas operations. The focus today is on Section 7.5, which emphasizes maintaining records that are legible, identifiable, retrievable, and protected. Now let's dive into the specific records that manufacturers must maintain. Firstly, weld and welder qualification records are essential, providing evidence of competency and compliance. Secondly, material test records, such as chemical analysis and mechanical tests, ensure that all materials meet the required standards. Non-destructive examination, or NDE records, including personnel qualifications and test results, are also mandatory, covering surface inspections, weld evaluations, and repairs. Additionally, manufacturers must keep detailed welding process records. This includes documentation on procedures, filler materials, and heat treatments. Equally important are records from heat treatment processes, volumetric NDE, hydrostatic pressure tests, and measurements of critical dimensions. For purchasers, manufacturers must provide assembled equipment records that include a certificate of compliance with the specification and temperature class. Furthermore, assembly traceability and pressure test records are vital components of the documentation package supplied to the purchaser. In summary, maintaining accurate and comprehensive quality control records is not just about meeting compliance requirements. It's about ensuring the safety, reliability, and traceability of your products. Thank you for joining us in this educational journey. We hope this guide has clarified the key aspects of quality control record requirements under API 16C 7.5. For further inquiries, please feel free to call us.